Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once. We are not saying magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. ZN. I'm your host P5, aka definitely made P, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Guys, you already know how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go around, come back into shot like we do it, so let's do it. Let's waste no time. Alright. God, Becky, look at his jacket. Check it. Guys, you see what we're doing here. You see what it is. Let me give you a little twirl, RJ. Little twirl to the RJ, left to right, right to left. You already know what it is. Little up close, little back. Guys, let's get into it. Today we have this Stone Island garment dyed plated reflective with Mussola Gommata. Now Mussola Gommata I think is definitely my favorite material. Let's get into this, shall we? This is a beautiful color. For all of those that know, you know this jacket. You've been waiting to see this jacket, and now you're seeing this jacket. This is one of my grails. I want to shout out Climb Island for hooking me up with this. I mean, he didn't hook me up, I bought it, but you know, he hooked me up. This is super hot right now, so I'm gonna try and rush through it, and let's get into it. So guys, we have this Mussola Gommata plated reflective, one of the most iconic jackets from 2017. Came in a number of colors, came in a yellow, came in a black, came in a red, and came in this. I might be missing one, but I'm not quite sure, but yeah, really, really dope. Guys, let's get into it. Let's start at the waist. There's the waist right there, and this comes at my perfect length of jacket, below the waist, right there, just by the pocket line. Super, super dope. Let's look at the corsages. You've got that beautiful, beautiful, what do you want to call it, neon green, and then you've got a lighter version right there, which allows you to taper. So you go in, you taper. The only problem is, where does the rest of that go? It should have had the strip going all the way around so you can drop it down, but it's fine. You don't really need to taper it. You do it at its natural sort of length and you're good to go. You still have a little bit of space, a little bit of roomage, but yeah, you don't really need to taper it. Cuffages, equilibrium's a beautiful thing. Look at that. Okay guys, you can see the zip. Beautiful zips all the way up to the roof of the neck, and you've got this nice zip strip which is exposed in black. Let me just give you a little close-up right there. So that's running all the way through the middle, a nice sort of thick zip strip, again all the way up to the roof of the neck, not the base. I think these zippers are Lampo because they're nice and chunky. I'm not sure, as it doesn't say Lampo anywhere, so maybe they are not Lampo, but yeah, they've got that nice canvas pull and they're a bit chunky, these zippers. Cool, really, really dope. Of course, if you look on the left hand side, you see this side zip right here, a boob zip shall we call it. In that side zip, you put your hand in. I'm definitely putting an apartment in there. If I don't put an apartment in there, I'm putting a tiny little speedboat that I'm going to use on Lake Como to go visit George Clooney. Fits right in there, not a problem, gets through customs easily. Love it. Cool. Sticking to this left hand side, you see this beautiful pocket which is the standout piece on the jacket. Let me lift. Oh, look at that. Oh, listen to that. A fat Velcro strip right there, fastened by these two individual singular lime green strips right there. You put your hand in, again, your speedboat's going in there, you put the family, grandmother, grandpapa, couple of your siblings, uncles, aunties, they can fit in here while the speedboat sits there, and then we're all off on a visit to see George in the old Lake of Como. Beautiful, really nice depth to the pockets, and yeah, really functional. Love this. Really, really beautiful pocket. Lime green. This is kind of that Mussola Gommata. It feels kind of like your rubberized panel, but it's Mussola Gommata, one of their beautiful materials that they make. I'm not sure if you can see the shimmer on this, guys, because this, as you can see, is a special process piece. And by special process, it means it does special things. Now, I'm not sure if the light is picking this up, but the way that this glows, I'm going to show you a picture right there. The way that this is shimmering is ridiculous. It's a super shimmer. It's just, the sun hits it and it's a mess. I want you guys to see. I don't know if you can. Anyway, let's get into some more details. As you can see, the stitching is in that lime green right there. Really nice, following all the way through with the lime green detailing. Super, super dope. Of course, what do we love on a jacket, guys? A hood, and this is a very good hood. If it rains, it's got the tappity tap 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 is stopping you from that, definitely. And it's got anti-drop finish, I'm sure, so it's gonna roll off a little bit as long as it's not heavy downpour. You've got a nice little peak right there, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, nice little hood. Let me show you what it looks like when we all the way zipped up, so you can get a feel. So you know, you got that sort of, you know, riot gear, that sniper jacket, you know, feel. If you want to roll that up so you can actually see where you're going, then that might be a good idea. But no, I don't want to see where I'm going. I just want to look semi-cool. Let me give you the side version. Give you a little turn. Super dope, guys, super dope. Like, I've wanted this jacket for so long. Such a really nice piece. You know, there's certain pieces that I'm not saying should be in your collection, because that's a personal thing, but there's certain pieces that I wanted in my collection, and this is one of them. Inside you have the nice lime green, once again neon green, whichever you want to call it. You've got breathable armpit panels right there. Obviously equilibrium, same belt thing, so breathable panels right there. Of course you have the Stone Island right there. Few black strips going down just for aesthetics right there, which lead into the hood as well. Very nice. What else? On the back, as you see, you got that nice sort of pull string that allows you to adjust your hood. Yeah, super dope, man, super dope, guys. Again, you've got that lime green stitching going all the way through, keeping it real, uniform and equilibrated. I've made that up, by the way. Beautiful piece, guys, beautiful piece. Like, yeah, it's just a beautiful piece, man. I'm hoping you can catch the light, but if not, I'm gonna show you how the picture looks when I take a picture. Guys, this has been a Stone Island garment dye, plated reflective with Mussola Gommata. Like I said, from 2017, super dope piece. Yeah, I'm trying to get me the yellow one, definitely the black one. The red one I'm easy with, but yeah, eventually I'll pick it up. So yeah, once again, shout out to Climb Island. I'm obviously wearing a Bear 77 tee in extra large because I wanted a bit loose because it's hot and I'm wearing black. So yeah, really super nice t-shirt. I'll tell you more about my brand Bear 77. It's coming back eventually this year. So once it's back, I'll tell you guys. But yeah, guys, this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your host, P5, aka P is for Plated Reflective. And this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Guys, as always, please like, comment, subscribe, share. And yeah, it's beautiful sharing with you again, guys. I'm not going to leave it so long. I know I said that the last 2 times, but I've just been getting my stuff together. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you on the flip side. So please, as always, look after yourself, stay fly. Remember, clothes don't make the man, man make the clothes. And yeah, be dope, stay fly, and we're gonna catch you on the next episode. Love, peace, gang, is, hey, shimmy.